founder of Las Colinas, this award recipient represents a distinctive spirit of free enterprise and entrepreneurship. This individual has more than 30 years of business leadership, marketing, and finance experience. He served as vice chairman prior to becoming president of Mercer Management Consulting, Inc. And earlier in his career, he held various engineering positions at Raytheon Company. Currently, he serves as a director of the Global Technology Systems and has served as director of Spirit Aerosystem Holdings, Inc. He served as director of TSA Stores as well as independent director of MedSource Technologies, Inc. He is a member of the President's Advisory Board of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University and holds a mathematics degree from Boston College, Chestnut Hill, and an MBA from Columbia University, Graduate School of Business. He is truly deserving of this special award. This award goes to Paul Facchino, former president and chairman and CEO of Aviall. That was my bad. I was supposed to ask you folks to come on up before I made that introduction.